Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and accessories. Today, we've got something practical and space-saving to discuss: the HumanCentric mount for micro Dell OptiPlex computers. If you're looking to optimize your workspace and keep things tidy, stick around for the next 5 minutes as we dive into the details of this innovative mount. I'm your host, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with a quick overview. The HumanCentric mount is designed to accommodate micro Dell OptiPlex computers, and it's here to help you reclaim your desk space. This mount is a fantastic solution for those who want to keep their work area organized and efficient. It's compatible with a wide range of Dell OptiPlex micro models, including the 3000, 5000, 7000 series, and more. Before we dive deeper, let's talk compatibility. This mount is specifically designed for micro Dell OptiPlex computers. And it's important to note that it won't fit the tower or small form factor models, nor will it work with WISE models. It's a precise fit for the micro form factor, so be sure to check your OptiPlex model before making a purchase. Now, one of the standout features of this mount is its VESA compatibility. You can easily mount your micro OptiPlex to the back of a monitor with a 75 by 75 mm or 100 by 100 mm VESA pattern. This opens up a world of possibilities for creating a clean and clutter-free workspace. However, do keep in mind that if you choose to mount your OptiPlex to the back of your monitor, it will use the VESA holes, which means you won't be able to mount it to a monitor arm or stand. But wait, there's more. The HumanCentric mount doesn't stop at VESA mounting. It also includes mounting hardware for under-desk and wall mount setups. This flexibility ensures that you can find the perfect mounting solution to suit your workspace needs. And here's a thoughtful touch. The mount comes with 2 Velcro straps that securely hold your OptiPlex power adapter below the mount. This helps you maintain a tidy and organized workspace, whether you're using the wall mount, VESA mount, or under-desk setup. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to learn more about HumanCentric. They're all about transforming workspaces into environments that support focus and creativity. They understand the importance of a well-organized workspace and aim to provide purposeful tools that make a real difference in your work-life integration. In conclusion, the HumanCentric mount for micro Dell OptiPlex computers is a must-have accessory if you're looking to optimize your workspace and keep it clutter-free. With its compatibility, VESA mounting options, and thoughtful design, it's a valuable addition to any office or home setup. That's a wrap on today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful and are excited to declutter your workspace with the HumanCentric mount, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and solutions. Got questions or thoughts about this mount? Feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next episode.